Ko te toa, ko Hori Shore.
I'm just a Hori fella, Hori fella from the East Coast, as you can see. I've got a bit of blood on my crop too from last night.
3 years ago, I just decided to go on TikTok and start making TikTok videos. It's pretty funny, it just blew up out of nowhere.
Place is called Tūtai Toko. Yeah, we built our little camp here. They love it up here.
We're here in whenua Ngāti Awa. This is where I feel at home.
Kia ora, ko Hori Kairongo Sho tōku ingoa. Huri no Ngāti Parei me te whakatōhea.
Ko Te Wehi tōku ingoa no Edgecombe.
Your hooks always, you want to sing along to them, so it's almost like that's where you would sing along, is like when the beat drops.
Yeah. Me and Hori were just sitting in the studio trying to figure out what we'd write a song about. We just found something that we had in common, that we'd always go out hunting and leave our wives at home, our girlfriends at home. I just thought we'd write some sort of appreciation for our girls, you know.
Go back to school. First time meeting the Brave Kings, and it was a buzz for me because coming out of my room, I was just mind blown, like, holy hell, what's all these buttons and all this sort of carry on. Check, 1, 2, yup. As I stroll through the native, I feel at home. Just being in a room with top artist, yeah, magic just happened. Ding, ding, ding. Surely we'll be able to add a little bit of Māori in there, Kip. Yeah.
Well, I've done kapaka as a kid. I was the leader of my little school. We were the WAIATA school around. So I was probably the blackest in my school. Doing stuff in te reo was inevitable for me.
I've grabbed that noku and put it at both ends.
We're sort of in a state, like our voices can't be heard anymore. It's just best to push our reo out there as much as we can.
I just want to keep our culture alive. That's all it is, really.
I love coming up here with my whānau. They love it up here. Especially in the summertime, because you've got the river, swimming, eeling, hunting. We just feel relaxed up here, like nothing to worry about. Coming from the East Coast, you know, we're brought up around all the reggae, just heaps of shared parties. That's where I found the passion for singing.
This is my horse. I'm ready to ride. I think anyone that's trying to make music or do something with music, you just gotta be you.
Righto.
Don't try and be like this fella over here. Just do your thing.